Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about three things. First of all is Acala. All the functions is back now. The second is the XCM dashboard. And the third is about the Kilt. They have some very interesting updates. And so Acala, so finally their community referendum for the stage 3 is passed and all the functionalities is live. Now you can check Acala, you can mint AUSD, you can do all the things you have. And so they also have the small notification here. Functions on Acala, they are fully live, they come back. So the first thing you need to do is probably you need to double check if you ever mint any AUSD, or if you do anything, like if you borrow some assets, right? Now it's all come back, so you need to make sure your asset didn't get liquidated. And so you can check the Acala here. There is a connector ratio, so make sure you are in a good shape. Right now I didn't mint any AUSD, so I should be fine, and I still have my Acala in their debt as staked. So the second thing is about the XCM. They have a new dashboard which looks quite cool actually. So we already know XCM is quite powerful in the Kusama ecosystem, and this one is going to show you all the daily transfers, and you can also see the hot channels like Karura, right? It's actually doing great. They have a lot of transfers, and also Bifrost Kusama. So Bifrost and the Karura, they are the most popular one. They use the XCM node, like a node, and you can also see the TXS. I would like to see actually more transactions happened using the XCM. That just means more people or more users, they are quite active in Kusama. Here you can see the different parachain. You can see the total number of transfers using XCM. I think this is a very good metric if you want to check how active, right, different parachains and how they use that. It will also show you like all the details, like each of the transaction, what they do, what kind of tokens, and so this is quite cool. I would recommend all of you, if you are interested, you should definitely check this dashboard. And so the last one is about the Kilt. So they are the first parachain that migrates from Kusama to the Polkadot now. The Kilt protocol, if you are not familiar, Kilt protocol is is a blockchain identity protocol, and so it's for the decentralized identifiers, like DID in the Web3. It is very important because in the Web3 is fully decentralized, but you still need the identity. Just give you one example, right? If you want to borrow if you want to borrow some assets, you need some credit score. And how did you get that credit score? You need the identity, right? So there will be a lot of places you definitely need identity. So Kilt is doing that, and they are doing quite good. And they also they are the first now to migrate from the Kusama to the Polkadot. And so we know the Kusama is the canary network for the testing. And so the Kilt actually, they are doing good, they do the testing on Kusama thoroughly actually. And now they are going to actually move the whole Kusama parachain into the Polkadot. And so we know a lot of parachains, they have both, but we all know that Polkadot, right? They design the system, we have the Kusama and the Polkadot, and the Kusama is the canary network. You can use that to do the testing, and then you can finally deploy on the Polkadot. So Kilt, what they did is they win the 6th Kusama parachain, and which is quite early, 2021 September, and then they also win the Polkadot parachain on August 11th, 2022, and then they announced the plan to migrate from Kusama to Polkadot. And I made a video actually a long time ago to announce that and talk about the importance. What they use is XCM. So XCM actually allow them to generate the final block on Kusama parachain and then the first block on the Polkadot parachain. So they use the XCM technology and then do all of the things. And since they switched that successfully, now all the data, service, everything, including their token, now they move from Kusama to Polkadot, which is quite interesting, and I think it's very important. Actually, they show it's possible. Like, you can migrate from Kusama to Polkadot, and all other parachains they can follow and they can do the same thing, just like what Kilt is doing. So they set up a very good example, right? So in the future, all the other parachains can follow that. And so overall, I think today's updates, it's quite interesting, all of them, like from the like parachain like Acala. Now it's fully functional after long time, right? And I really hope they will do well in the future, and hopefully more people can still trust that and use that. And that's actually very important for the ecosystem as well, for the whole like Sama ecosystem, and also the XCM, like from the dashboard and the powerful of the XCM to make it possible for the Kilt, right, as the first parachain to migrate from Kusama to Polkadot. And so they are all very, very interesting updates, and I will post all the links below the video. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.